Okay, here we go. Now again, we still need to condense both sides to make sure that the logs are singly by themselves. All right, so we're going to have log base 9, and we have x plus 1 is one argument, and then we're adding, so we're going to multiply x. So I have x plus 1 times x. I'm going to put both of these together and condense it. And that's going to equal log base 9 of 12. And you don't have to do anything to this right side. And now since there's the same logs on both sides, drop them. Now we're left with just the arguments. And I'm going to distribute this right away. So I have x squared plus x equals 12. And I still need to solve for x, so I'm going to move this over and set everything equal to 0. Minus 12 equals 0, and then I need to factor this. So x plus 4 and x minus 3 equals 0. And then set each factor equal to 0, so we have that x equals negative 4. And then we have x equals 3. If I'm to plug negative 4 back in here, I'd have negative 4 plus 1. This would be a negative 3, so that is not going to work. So negative 4 does not work, but x equals 3 does. Okay, so then for number 6, in this case, we have our exponent. Okay, x is in the exponent, so we need to add the natural log and bring the x to the front. Another way you could do this is rewrite this exponentially as well. But however you'd like to, and we've been going over it when we throw the log in front and add a natural log. So we'd have x times natural log of 8 equals the natural log of 13. And then we need x alone, so we're going to divide by the natural log of 8 on both sides. So then x is going to be about 1.233. All right, same problem. So we'll move on to number 8 then. And here again, our x is in the exponent, so we first need to divide both sides by 8 so that we get our exponential completely alone. So then 24 divided by 8 is 3, and now we're left with e to the x, and this is much nicer to work with. Now we're going to throw it to the front and add our natural log. So we'll have the natural log of 3 equals x times the natural log of e. The natural log of e is going to go away because it actually turns into a 1. So all I'm left with is x equals the natural log of 3. So I am going to plug that right into your calculator, and you'll get 1.009. All right, I'm going to move on to the back page.